nervous system is made up of a network of nerve cells, or we call it as neurons. It's divided into two main subsystems: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system includes 12 pair of cranial nerve and 31 pair of spinal nerve.
Hi guys, so now we will learn about brain. Do you know that the brain is made up of more than 100 billion neurons? What is neurons? Neurons are also known as nerve cells. The brain is the coordination and control center for humans. The main components of the brain are the cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, pituitary gland, and hypothalamus. Now, let's learn more about this component of the brain. For the first one, cerebrum. It is the largest and most complex structure present in the frontal part of the brain. The surface is folded to increase the surface area to hold more nerves. It is the center that controls emotions, hearing, sight, personality, and controlled actions. The cerebrum is also responsible for higher mental abilities such as learning, memorizing, linguistic skills, and mathematics skills. Are you guys wondering how the cerebrum works? Let's learn it together. First, the cerebrum receives information and stimulus from the receptor. Next, this information is analyzed, integrated, and correlated to produce sensory perception. Then, the response is determined and instructions are given to the effectors. Next component, which is cerebellum. It is located near the medulla oblongata, as you can see at the picture. The function of this component is to maintain body balance and coordination of muscle contraction for body movement.
For hypothalamus, first, coordinating homeostasis. Second, it is the control center that regulates body temperature, water balance, blood pressure, and sense hunger, thirst, and fatigue. The third one is the hypothalamus connects the nervous system to the endocrine system through the pituitary gland. And the last one is controls the secretion of a few types of pituitary gland hormones. Pituitary gland, first located at the base of the hypothalamus. Second, the main gland in the endocrine system. And the last one is this gland secretes hormones that control the secretion of hormones by other endocrine glands. Medulla oblongata, located at the anterior of the cerebellum. Second, controls involuntary action such as heartbeat, breathing, food digestion, vasoconstriction, blood pressure, peristalsis, vomiting, coughing, sneezing, and swallowing.
Hi, today I'm going to talk about spinal cord. Spinal cord is made up of white matter and gray matter, contained within the vertebral column and surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid. Protect and supply the spinal cord with nutrients. In a cross-section, the gray matter look like butterfly or the H letter. This is the example of spinal cord. Spinal cord white matter consists of axons covered in myelin sheath and extend up and down the spinal cord. Spinal nerve extend from spinal cord through two short branches or roots, which are dorsal roots and ventral roots. Function of spinal cord. First, process a few types of sensory information and to send responses through motor neurons. Second, control reflex action. And third, connect the brain with peripheral nervous system. This is the spinal cords. For the dorsal roots ganglion, the sensory neurons cell body are clustered in the dorsal roots ganglion. Dorsal roots. The dorsal roots contain axon of the sensory neuron that send nerve impulse from the sensory receptor to the spinal cord. For the ventral roots contain the motor neuron that send nerve impulse from the spinal cord to the effector. Last but not least, spinal nerve. The spinal nerve contains the sensory neuron and motor neuron. That is all from me. Thank you.
Peripheral nervous system consists of two, somatic and autonomic nervous system. Their function is to connect sensory receptor and effectors to central nervous system. Somatic nervous system regulate all control activities, while autonomic nervous system control involuntary action, for example, heartbeat and contraction of blood vessels. That's all from our team. Thank you.